Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose passwords and biometrics, click on set lock screen password and wait 5 seconds. Then choose continue in the pop-up. Now you need to click on use a different password type and select one of those login methods. I will go with pattern. Then enter it and repeat it. If you wish to, you can also add your fingerprint right away by choosing Add and following the instructions. I will go with Cancel though and click Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!